How to upload a long video on WhatsApp status step by step. So if you want to upload a long video on WhatsApp status, then what you can do is first open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open, go for the updates, which is here on the bottom left. Once you're here on the updates, you will have my status option, right? Tap on my status. And once you're here, you need to simply choose a video that you would like to upload. So for example, I'll be choosing a video. So I'll be choosing the first video. Once you've chosen the video, here it says that you can't upload more than 60 seconds, right? So what you need to do is simply select the 60 seconds. So first select the first part of the video and you can simply go for upload, which is on the bottom right. And once you've uploaded that story, now again select the status option and then again choose the video and select the second part, and you can upload this much on your second status. And after that, once you've uploaded, now again go for the video and you need to select the third part. So in this way, you can upload your whole story or you can upload your whole video on your status. So that's how you can upload a long video on WhatsApp status. But instead of this, there is no other way to upload whole single video at once. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.